In this video, I'll show you how to switch to dark mode on Base44 step by step. First, open Base44 in your browser. Next, go to your browser's extension store and search for the extension called Dark Reader. It is a browser extension that automatically applies a dark mode to websites that do not have this feature. You can use it for free. Click on Dark Reader and install the extension. Once the installation is complete, go back to Base44. If dark mode is not enabled automatically, click on the Dark Reader extension icon in your browser toolbar. Turn the extension on to activate dark mode. After that, refresh the Base44 page to make sure the dark theme is applied correctly.